seconds, we'll take it here.
Alright, I'll go on the thing.
Go on the tank.
Quite. Don't worry about it. He's not the boss.
You almost sit on it.
You're coming with me.
Yeah, they won't even.
Don't worry.
Judaism today.
Yeah, you see, because of you.
Don't worry. We'll get on the van. We don't need him.
Take all your hats off.
What's it, Corf?
Yeah, take all your hats off.
Yeah. Franklin Avenue, please.
Of unprecedented global achievement by the Rebbe's leader. Join in this universal tribute that marks this historic milestone by strengthening your commitment to unprecedented global achievement.
I want you to get my cherry in there.
I'll get it.
Did you get me with the badge?
Going too fast. Yeah, I got you with the badge. Go a little slower. A little slower. No bumps.
Shamba, you'd be a millionaire if I wasn't driving you. If I wasn't driving, you'd make no money off this.
I made up with them 2 months ago. Without you, I'm not going.
Yeah.
Keep on going, keep on going. This is a beautiful turn here. It's very nice. We got it last year. They liked it very much, this shot. As much as you go, you don't get to the front.
Now, you want to go to the front of them or not?
Yeah, just straight to the... Leave me up by the arch.
In charge.
Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going.
In charge.
They're turning, they're not stopping, they're not slowing down.
In charge.
Okay, you'll drop me up by this policeman here.
And you're not going to come with me?
Yeah, I'm going to come with you. So, what, do you want to pull over there?
Look in the rear view a second.
What's this going on?
The 10th day of the month of Shevat, in the year of 5750, world tourism celebrating the 30th year of freedom.
pass him up, pass him up.
Unprecedented global achievement by the Rebbe, Rabbi Menachem and Rebbe. Each of the forecasts of this parade will rely on the year of the leadership. By the Rebbe, Rabbi Menachem and Rebbe. Each of the dignitaries on this parade symbolize a year of leadership, dignitaries on this parade symbolize a year. Join in this universal tribute and mark today, the 10th day of the month, and
a joy for Lubavitcher Chassidim. It's a joy for Jews in general. It's a joy for people all over the world. For the Rebbe, like no one else in history, has taken care of and has worried about the spiritual and religious and moral and social obligations and social stability of all people throughout the world, regardless of religion, of race, of color, and creed. This is why today is a day of celebration for people all over the world. That together with the Rebbe, we are going to celebrate this year. Since this year is the year of miracles, we are going to celebrate the greatest miracle of all time, and that is the day that we are all waiting for, the day where Almighty God will send us the righteous Redeemer, and He will take us all out to Israel speedily this year, together with our team. So we want to ask all the...
We're gonna go on the tank.
Ask all the Mitzvah tank commanders and all the tankisten, please, to go into the tanks, and then Emir Hashem, we are going on our route, and then we will disperse, and then we will make sure that this is going to be a day in the history of mankind.
Many